Are you ready to discover the USA like never before through a powerful English story that's perfect for listening, learning, and dreaming? Join Emma on her unforgettable journey across America, a tale full of adventure, culture, and inspiration. Don't miss a single part of this series. Hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you're the first to know when the next chapter is live. Let the journey begin.
Once upon a time, in a small town in India, there lived Anya was very curious about the world. She loved geography and history, and her biggest dream was to visit the United States of America one day. One day, her English teacher announced an exciting project. You will all create a presentation about a country you want to visit. Anya, I think you will enjoy this. Anya smiled brightly. She already knew her topic, the USA. That night, Anya opened her laptop and started researching. As she typed, her screen glowed with pictures of tall buildings, beautiful parks, famous landmarks, and smiling people. She whispered to herself, "Let me learn everything I can about the USA." The United States of America, often called the USA or simply America, is a country made up of 50 states. Anya was surprised. 50 states? That's a lot, she said. She learned that each state has its own laws, culture, and history. The largest state is Alaska, full of snow and wilderness, while the smallest is Rhode Island. Some popular states are California, New York, Texas, and Florida. Anya's next search was for famous places in the USA. The first thing she saw was the Statue of Liberty. This statue was a gift from France, she read. It stands in New York Harbor and welcomes people from all over the world. Then she saw pictures of the Grand Canyon in Arizona, with its deep red rocks and vast landscape. "Wow," she whispered, "nature is amazing." She also discovered the White House, where the president lives. Mount Rushmore, giant faces of 4 American presidents carved into a mountain. Golden Gate Bridge, a bright red bridge in San Francisco. Disney World, the most magical place for children in Florida. She realized the USA has a mix of natural beauty and human achievement. The USA is home to over 330 million people. Anya was amazed to learn how diverse the country is. People from many countries live there, from Mexico, China, India, Africa, Europe, and more. There are many languages spoken, but English is the main language, she noted. She learned about Native Americans, the first people to live in the USA, and about immigrants who came later for a better life. Music, movies, and sports are very important in American life. She smiled as she read about Hollywood, the center of movie making, jazz, hip-hop, rock, music styles that started in the USA, basketball and American football, the most popular sports. Culture here is colorful, just like India, Anya thought. Anya wanted to understand how the USA is governed. She read that the USA is a democracy. People vote for their leaders. The most powerful leader is the president. There are 3 branches of government: executive, led by the president; legislative, the Congress makes laws; and judicial, the Supreme Court ensures laws are fair. She wrote down some famous presidents: George Washington, the first; Abraham Lincoln, who ended slavery; and Barack Obama, the first African American president. This country has had many great leaders, she thought. Finally, Anya wanted to know what daily life is like in the USA. She learned that most Americans live in cities or suburbs. Many families have houses with gardens and cars. Children go to school After that, many go to college or university. People enjoy fast food like burgers, fries, and pizza, but also love healthy options. She laughed when she saw how big American meals can be. She read about American holidays like Independence Day, July 4, Thanksgiving, November, Christmas, and New Year. On holidays, people often travel, have big meals, and enjoy time with family. After days of learning, Anya finally stood in front of her class to give her presentation. She spoke clearly and confidently. The United States of America is a land of dreams, diversity, and discovery. It has 50 states, many cultures, and endless stories. From the Grand Canyon to the Statue of Liberty, from jazz to technology, the USA has something for everyone. Her teacher clapped. "Well done, Anya. You've taught us all something new." That night, Anya looked at the stars and said to herself, "One day, I will visit the USA, not just in my books,
But with my own eyes.